In today's video, we're going to photograph an assortment of gold jewelry to show you what it looks like when used with the GemLightbox. So let's get started. The first gold ring we're going to shoot will be this one here. Beautiful matte finished ring. We're simply going to place this into the center of the GemLightbox. Reflector goes back on. Positioning our phone in front, we then go into the GemLightbox application. We simply connect to the turntable via Bluetooth. After that, click into camera. Position your phone in front and shoot when ready. On this screen, we have the option to rename the file by its SKU number. We can then hit save. For the side profile, we simply rotate the jewelry onto its side by using the arrow keys here. Again, once you're happy with the colors and the angle, tap to capture again. Hit save. You can then repeat this step until you have captured all the desired angles. We're going to capture one more of the back of this ring. Hit capture when you're ready. The images we just captured is saved into the GemLightbox gallery, where you can then select the images and share it as required. For the next piece, we are going to shoot this gold finish ring. Very intricate design, very hard to capture normally without the GemLightbox. So this goes into the center of the turntable, same as before. Our reflector goes back on. Now for this ring, we are going to shoot a 360 video. To shoot a video, simply click the bottom right hand corner. Position our phone in the center. Once you're happy with the colors and the position, simply tap to capture the video. The video will go into automation for 15 seconds, capturing all the colors and details of this ring. Tap save to store the video into the gallery. Again, to upload this video onto any of your social media platforms or major e-commerce platforms, simply select the video and tap the bottom left-hand corner to share the video. To take a photo of this piece, simply click into photo mode. Once you're happy with the colors and the angle, tap to capture. Hit save. Again, if you wish to photograph the side of the ring, simply rotate the jewelry by pressing the arrow keys as required. Once you're happy with the angle, tap to capture again. Hit save. Now, for the next piece of jewelry we're going to shoot, first we're going to remove the turntable. Turntable comes out like this. We're going to set this aside for later. The cable inside the GemLightbox connects to aerial, which is already attached to this GemLightbox. We will then coil this chain onto the magnetic accessory that comes with the GemLightbox aerial, just like this. This attaches to the base of the GemLightbox aerial inside the GemLightbox like so. We're going to put our reflector back on and our phone back into the center of the GemLightbox. Before we begin, we're going to connect our phone to aerial via Bluetooth. We then go back into camera and we simply tap to capture. As you can see, we have captured the true color and all the small intricate details of this gold chain. Hit save. Now for the next part, we're going to create a 360 video of this gold chain. Simply click into video on the bottom right hand corner. We then tap onto the chain to focus the video. We can adjust the brightness as required, like so. And once you're ready, simply tap to capture. Again, this goes into automation for 15 seconds, creating a beautiful, professional looking 360 video of this beautiful gold chain. Hit save to save the video into the gallery. Everything we just captured in this video is now stored and organized nice and beautifully in this GemLightbox gallery.